He died strong, when with dignity and with pride. And you must be proud of that. The king is dead, but long live the crown. Joey! 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 Rest in peace, Dad. One thing that I know that Raila stood for, and he keep on repeating, is that we need peace in our nation, we need peace in our homes.
The Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, Ward Mary, Ward Nyar Alego, Agwambo, Tinga, Jacom, Enigma, Ward Bean, Baba. I have come a very long way with Baba. I owe you, and I am truly and eternally grateful that our paths crossed and that we shared this journey together. As we bid you farewell, we do so with the deepest gratitude as a nation and as a people. Amolo may no longer walk with us, but his spirit lives within every Kenyan and every African. Round the Bay of Mexico,
where the sun shine daily on the mountain top, I took a trip on a sailing ship. When I reached Jamaica, I made a stop, but I am sad to say I'm on my way. I won't be back for many a days. My head is down, my head is turning around. I had to let a river little girl in Kingston town.